Guys, so in this video I want to talk to you guys about what I ate this week. Now this week is my second full week, and this week went pretty good. I'll show you guys in just a bit the meals that I had, but I will say that just yesterday, no, actually the day before yesterday, I had been keeping up with the 1 meal a day thing and it had been going really good. But I kind of the other day just decided one day, you know, I'm just gonna have breakfast today. So I went off the 1 meal a day thing for probably about 2 days, but I'm gonna pick back up in another day or so because I actually am just really just not hungry, but I just felt like munching on something. So that's what I did. You know, I said, you know, you can't, you know, it's not really advised to hard fast every single day. You know, there's a couple days during the week where it really is okay to consume food as normally, but that's mainly the only thing that I'll say that I did that deviated from what I did the last week. I will say that this week was my husband and I's anniversary, our 8th anniversary, and the meal that we had that night was probably my favorite meal of the week. I'll show you guys that in just a bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you guys my meals right now. Hey everybody, so here's a little snack that I'm having. It's actually me and my husband's anniversary, so I'm actually preparing dinner right now. But while dinner is getting ready, which I'll show you guys that in a little bit, I'm gonna have what I have here, just some pepperoni with some mozzarella cheese on top of it that I put underneath the broiler in the oven for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes maybe. It may have not been that long, but you have to just keep an eye on it and see how quickly it cooks. But I put a little bit of garlic powder on the cheese, and I just have here about a tablespoon of Rao's, I'm not sure how you say that, but the margarita pizza sauce. I've never tasted it before, so I'm hoping that it's pretty good. I usually just make my own marinara, but I'm cutting a corner tonight. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I have the entree of our anniversary dinner. Hey guys, so here I'm showing you guys what we have for our anniversary dinner. I have here some ribeyes for my husband and I. We have just some butter on top. I made a homemade marinade for that. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. It is really, really good. And I used coconut aminos in place of the soy sauce for the first time. So that's interesting. And then I have here just some mushrooms and onions, not too many of those. And we have here some lobster tails and an arugula salad with that ginger dressing that I made with some feta cheese and boiled egg. And here we have some shrimp skewers with some ranch dressing on there that I mixed with ranch, and that Asiago Cindy's Kitchen dressing that I showed on the other video. And then I also mixed some of that Drew's dressing in there. So yep guys, this is it for us. I'm not going to eat all this, of course, but this is just showing you guys what our spread looks like tonight. So completely keto and completely delicious. All right, catch y'all later. Okay, so here's my plate that I just made, and so I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm starting with, which is, I know, a lot, but you know what, I'll just save it, wrap it up and save it for tomorrow. But this is my starting plate, and I'll show you guys what I am left over with at the end. All right, y'all, here is dinner for tonight. I'm not exactly sure what the name of this is. I just threw a whole bunch of things in this big old pot here. I threw some turkey kielbasa sausage, some mixed peppers that were frozen that I got from Trader Joe's, some cauliflower. It's been a long day. Some rice cauliflower, some curry powder. Then I threw some cream cheese in there with some chopped spinach that I had pre-cooked. Okay, Devin. And that's it. So this is going to be a really delicious meal. I mean, it smells good with the curry and the celery flakes. I had a celery flakes accident, but yeah. This is good stuff, guys. Sometimes you just gotta throw a hodgepodge of stuff in a pot and call it dinner. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Alrighty. Alright guys, so it's a little bit early and I'm actually switching it up today. I'm actually having breakfast today, which is just some leftovers from dinner last night, which was like that sausage and cauliflower with spinach and the curry. So yeah, this is gonna be it. I'm just gonna have some water right now, nothing too out of the ordinary. So that'll be it. I'll catch up with you guys in my next meal. Hey y'all, so here is my meal for today. I have here 2 grass-fed burger patties with some cheddar cheese on top, as well as some of the avocado mayo that I showed you guys before. That's the Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. Then I have some unsweetened ketchup on here that's also by Primal Kitchen, and I will show you guys real quick the ingredients list just so that you can see. Give me just 1 second here. Okay, look at that. No added sugar. All right, and then I have here some pepperonis that I just put some mozzarella cheese on with some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I just baked those in the, put those in the oven under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Then I have here my burger patty, and like I said, this is gonna be my meal for today. I put some of that salad dressing on this romaine that's chopped up pretty fine, and I have here about a tablespoon of the Rayo's homemade margarita pizza sauce. So this is it for today, guys. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow with my next meal. Hey guys, so today's meal consists of something that my husband made. I'm not exactly sure. They just call it daddy chicken. That's what the kids call it. But it's some like some pulled chicken that he made here, and then I have like a fried egg on top, and there's some bacon that he crumbled on there, and then also have here some broccoli sprouts on top with some sour cream, and then I just have here some avocado that I seasoned with some of the chili lime seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. So this is my meal for today, for right now. And if I decide to eat something later, I'll come back and let you guys know. But this is it for right now. All right, catch you guys later. Okay, guys, here is my meal for this evening. I have here 6 wings that I actually ordered these from a restaurant, a local restaurant here. They have really good wings. I just have here a Nashville hot dry rub on these. And then here I'm just finishing up that bag of arugula that I have in my refrigerator that seems to be going nowhere. But this is the bottom of the bag. So that's it here. I just have some of that Asian ginger dressing that I made and some feta cheese. Just this real simple, lazy keto where I just threw some lettuce on a plate and put dressing on it. And that's my greens for today. So guys, this is it, and I will catch you guys later. Just wanted to show you guys my meal, but yeah, the smell is amazing. Look at these wings. And I'm gonna dip these in some blue cheese dressing, and I also have here a nice icy cold passion fruit LaCroix. And I'm gonna finish it also here with my apple cider vinegar right here. I'm gonna have some of that too. So I'm gonna put that with my lemon juice and whatnot. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys later. All right, so there you guys have it. That's pretty much how my last week went with my food. Like I said, it wasn't, again, anything too complicated. I really did enjoy that sausage and the cauliflower with the spinach little combo thing that I made. I'm definitely gonna show you guys that. Just because it was something I literally just went in my refrigerator and just started pulling things out and just throwing them in the pot, and it came together so well. I had ran out of shredded cheddar cheese, so that made me use cream cheese, which I probably wouldn't have done if I had the shredded cheese. So just keep in mind, be creative. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, and sometimes the meals that you don't plan to have can turn out to be the best meals. Now, this weekend, I'm actually gonna be making a video for you guys because I'm going on a road trip this weekend where this is gonna be my first keto road trip where we're not stopping at a drive-through. We're packing everything, and it's gonna be a long road trip. It's gonna be a total of about 20 hours and you get to and from. So yeah, so stay tuned for that this week. I may end up having to post it next week because I won't have access to my computer, so I may not be able to get to that until early next week, but it will be coming. So on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below on what you guys ate this week and what you guys are planning on your menu for next week. All right, then I will talk to you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to leave me a like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that way the next time I upload my new video, you guys will be the first ones to know. All right, y'all, you take care, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.